Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying the connections that actually carry calls. Make sure your iPhone is nearby and unlocked because the watch routes some calls through it. This prevents routing failures. On both devices, confirm Bluetooth is on and airplane mode is off. If you use Wi-Fi calling, ensure Wi-Fi is active and the network allows calls. If you rely on cellular, check signal bars. Once these basics are set, move directly to force re-establish the session between iPhone and watch. Now you reset the call session so the watch can place calls reliably. First, force quit the phone app on the iPhone to clear stuck processes. Then restart the Apple Watch, wait for it to fully boot, and restart the iPhone. Watch first helps the handshake. Once both are back, toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi off and on to force new pairing negotiation. This often clears transient profile errors. If you use a carrier plan on the watch, verify the plan is active once devices reconnect. Finish by testing a call. If it still fails, unpair and repair the watch to rebuild all profiles. This is the definitive fix because it reinstalls the cellular and Bluetooth configurations. If problems persist, reset network settings on the iPhone to remove corrupted configurations, then rejoin Wi-Fi and re-enter passwords. Make sure to test with another contact, and, if possible, a different SIM or eSIM profile to isolate carrier issues. If nothing works, contact your carrier or Apple for account or hardware diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.